What's going on, everybody? It's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, covering some more Q&A that had came in all about the carpet and flooring industry. And this particular question was, how much do carpet guys make in my area? So I think this may have been a helper looking to start their own business and figure out what the going rate is for carpet installers in their area. So the first go-to is always Google, but in this particular case, I think Google would probably do a national average and just post that. So to figure out what carpet installers are making in your particular area, I would reach out to installers on Craigslist first, just to find out. You could even do like a mock tryout and say, hey, I already have the carpet and padding already. How much do you charge just to install per yard? And take a range of that, and at least call 5 to 7 different installers so you can figure out where they're at. And if everybody's between $300 and $350, you know that's kind of the going rate on Craigslist. Then I would reach out to mom and pop type carpet stores and find out how much installers are getting paid. And you could say, hey, I'm new to the area, I'm a carpet installer, and I'm wondering how much you pay installers for installation. And then also find out, well, how much do they get paid for removal and how much do they get paid for furniture moving? And is all that included in the one price up front, or is it all itemized and you get more? So I do all your research first. Like I said, start with Craigslist, go to the mom and pop shops, and then maybe find the workrooms in your area, or not quite the big box stores because they're not going to tell you a good answer, or but you can go to the franchise type places like the Carpet Ones. They're kind of a national franchise, and you'd be able to find out how much they're paying installers. Based on all that data you collect there, you can kind of find out what the average is in your neighborhood, price yourself out accordingly. You could even push the envelope a little bit, especially right now where everything's hot and there's a limited amount of installers out there on the streets and everybody needs work done. You could definitely push it an extra 50 cents a yard and you'll get it. Now, when things change in the economy and things starting to tighten back up, you may want to have to pull back a little bit. So now while it's hot, go a little bit bigger, stockpile that cash, and you could use that cash for marketing and things like that in the future when things get tight and you need to set yourself apart from the crowd. So I hope that helps. Be sure to comment below with any other questions about the carpet and flooring industry. I'll create a video answering it for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.